pipes echoing through stone. Wind samples rustle gently in stereo field. Distant choir hums a suspended fourth. They oversee like a breath held. Wooden creaks and parchment turns. Chimes made of old silver chalices tinkle high left channel. A single monk's breath is audible, calm, steady. Sustained organ swells barely above silence. Wind gusts through cloister arches, recorded in stereo. Low pedal tone grows beneath. Choir enters in hushed unison, wordless vow.
Organ takes a slow stepwise descent in right hand C, B, A, G. Choir splits into gentle tertian harmony, weaving D, F, A.
Flutes like pipes dance softly over bass drones. Wind flutters again, more insistent. A wooden door creaks shut in distance. Leaves skitter across stone.
Sample foley.
Organ repeats motif in inversion.
Choir sustains a suspended chord.
Cat 9 high register pipe chimes in B minor. Raven calls faint beyond the wall.
Simple slows further retard the note.
Choir ascends in tiered harmony. F, A, C, G, B, D. Organ pedals shift to D minor. Wind drops momentarily.
Silence holds for 2 beats.
A single candle flickers, lowest in mix. Then breathe like the world inhaling.
Full organ swell on C major with 8, 4 and 2 stops engaged. Choir enters in Latin, lux aeterna, luciate ace domini.
Harmony resolves from E minor, A minor, D minor, and G, C. Wind returns now harmonized, synthetic tone mimicking gust. Stone echo effect applied to final choral syllable A's.
Organ holds tonic sustained with tremulum.
Choir fades like smoke. Organ returns to melodic motif now in E minor. Choir reduced to 2 voices, low hum and high descent. Cello-like pipes echo descending figures. Candle turns, another soft foley. A page turns in a grimoire. Dry crackling wind carries a fragment of distant Gallic hymn. Off mic, far right. Choir responds with amen. Whispered pipe drone fluctuates with breath rhythm. Low thunder rumbles beneath B.
Full bulk choir return, luciate ace domina. Same harmonic aggression, more reverberant, a longer decay.
Organ adds a counter melody in upper octaves. We now sink to choral phrasing, gusts on down beats. Stonework echo widens, reverb time increase. Final chord lingers, C major with added sync. Organ drops out, only choir and nature. Choir sings in canon, requiem aeternum dona eis domini. Each voice enters at 4-second intervals. Wind becomes melodic, pitched at F, oscillating. A single pipe re-enters, playing harmonics like ghost note. Bell tolls 1, low D slowly decays over 15 seconds. Choir sustains dunas, organ slowly rebuilds. Pedal tone returns, see underneath, shifting inversions. Organ in choir emergent derives counterpoints. Melody derived from Gregorian Gauden immersing. Harmonies alternate major and modal shifts. Wind now every pulse like breath. A monk kneel, neon stone, Foley detail. Fire crackles in nearby hearth, low in mix.
Organ adds warm quintadine, a stop.
Choir hums in Lydian mode, F over C. Candlelight pulses with sound waves visible in reverb.
Final chorus louder, mores eterna, lucidis dominant, full harmonic resolution, circle of fifths, cadence.
Wind dies to a whisper, all voices and pipes swell and then freeze, mid-sustain.
Sudden silence, then a single soprano voice acts.
Organ fades over 90 seconds, note by note. Wind returns, natural only, no pitch. Leaves flutter, distant out. One candle extinguished, soft pop. Final pipe note decays into stone. 3 seconds of pure wind, then silence.